Hey guys, let's talk about the Cinnado D1 camera not connecting to the Wi-Fi. So it's pretty simple to understand. Basically, the Cinnado camera only connects to the 2.4 gigahertz network, okay? So let me just explain here. If you come to your settings and go down to the network, see that I have my camera already connected to this signal. This is my Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi-24. That's the name of the signal, and here's the password. You see the note here? 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi is not supported. Okay, so that's the main part. You need to connect the camera to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. If I come here to my router, you see that's an Xfinity router, and this router has two bands, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. So when your camera is trying to connect to the router is going to negotiate with the camera and connect the camera to the 2.4 or 5. The camera doesn't have 5 gigahertz. It doesn't work with 5. So the router is going to negotiate and close the negotiation on 2.4 gigahertz. But sometimes that doesn't work. Sometimes you have a problem there on the negotiation and that doesn't work. So that's why I can come to my router and split the signal here to have two signals. So I can manually say to the camera to connect directly to the 2.4 signal, okay? So let me just come back here, see that I have my Wi-Fi-24. And then if I come here to select the Wi-Fi that I want my camera to connect to, see that I have here on Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi-24 and my Wi-Fi-5. Okay, so my cell phone can see both of them because the router shows both signals. I just split the signal there and it's working. So I can manually select directly. So I'm saying basically, no, I don't want a negotiation. I just want you to connect directly to the 2.4 signal. And that's the way to go. As long as my phone is here, connected to this one, it's going to tell the app, to the Wansview app here for the camera, to connect to this signal, and I'm good to go. So I just hit next here, okay.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
And there we go. And then connects to the 2.4 gigahertz, okay. Super simple. I'll leave the link here in the description or in the card here on the top. You can just check my other video explaining step by step on how you can go to your router and you can split the signal. So you can have 2.4 and 5 gigahertz in separate signals, right? The other thing that can happen as well, let's say it's not a router, it's not the signal, perhaps it's your cell phone. You can try a different cell phone instead of using an iPhone. You can just borrow an Android phone and set up the camera using the other phone, okay? Or if you don't have another phone, what you can do also is come here to the iPhone settings, then you go to General, go all the way down here and hit transfer or reset iPhone. Don't be scared here, you're not going to reset your iPhone, okay? You just hit reset here, but you're gonna reset the network settings. So just tap on it, reset network settings, and here you're gonna insert your password. Let me just insert mine. There we go. After you insert your password, you have this option to reset the network settings, okay? And then you just need to connect your cell phone to the Wi-Fi again, to your router, right? And give the password again. It's just a simple step. I'm not gonna do it here because I don't need to reset it. Mine is working already. But after resetting, you just connect to your router and then you can come back to the app and you can set up from there, right? Let me just come back here to the Wansview app. There we go. And then from here, of course, you can just connect your camera, okay? If you don't have your camera connected yet, of course, you just need to go to the step-by-step from scratch, right? Like step-by-step. When it's the time, you just select your Wi-Fi and you're good to go. So basically, that's the way you can fix the problem with your Cinnado D1 camera not connecting to the Wi-Fi. You can go to your router, split there to have two signals, or you can reset your network on your phone. I hope that helps. So leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.